In this video I'm going to show you that how you can turn off autoplay videos on YouTube app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to on YouTube. After going to YouTube app, what you can do, there is two ways. What you can do, the first way is if you open up a video, you can see here is the option in the top right corner. There will be option called autoplay. You have to turn it off. Just wait a minute for that. Then here you can see there is a option called autoplay. You have to turn, if this is turned on, you have to turn it off. Then the second option is you have to go to your profile, just like this. You have to click on your profile icon. Then you have to click on this settings option in the top right corner. After going to settings, you have to click on the autoplay option, just like this. This is the fourth option, like here. Then you have to just pretty much turn it off. If this is turned on, you make sure you turn it off. After doing so, the last option to turn off autoplay on YouTube is click on general. Then you have to find the option called playback in feeds. This is the option. You have to click on this playback in feeds. Then you have to click on off. After doing so, you are ready to go. So this is how you can turn off autoplay on YouTube in every way. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.